Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Bwine B112 FAA compliant remote ID module, a compact and lightweight solution for drone pilots needing legal flight compliance. This module meets FAA requirements for drones over 250 grams and replaces bulky external systems for models like Mavic 3, Mini 4 Pro, and Phantom 4. It broadcasts real-time GPS coordinates with less than 3 meters of error, perfect for precise tracking during mapping or regulated flights. The B112 fits a wide range of drones, from FPV to fixed-wing aircraft, and comes with multiple mounting options for easy installation. Weighing just 13.5 grams, it's 30% smaller than standard modules, so it won't add drag or bulk to your drone. The built-in battery offers 5 hours of continuous use after a quick 40-minute charge via Type-C cable. Just remember to use it outdoors with strong GPS signals and disconnect the power after charging for safety. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.